Another day, another English lesson. Far and by far with comparatives and superlatives. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to learn the difference between far and by far and how to use them correctly with comparative and superlative adjectives. These small words make your English sound much stronger and more precise. 1. Using far with comparatives. Use far before a comparative adjective to show a large difference. Examples. This book is far better than the movie. Pasta is far more popular than rice. He is far taller than his brother. Tip. Think of far as meaning much. Always place it before the comparative adjective. Use far, not by far, before a comparative adjective. 2. Using by far with comparatives. You can also use by far to emphasize a comparative, but it goes after the adjective phrase. Examples. This book is better than the movie by far. Pasta is more popular than rice by far. He is taller than his brother by far. Tip. Use far, not by far, before a comparative adjective. 3. Using by far with superlatives. Use by far to emphasize superlatives. The best, the most, or the strongest. Examples. She is by far the best student in the class. This is by far the most exciting movie I've seen. By far can be placed before the superlative adjective, she is by far the best, or at the end of the sentence, she is the best student by far. 4. Quick summary. With comparatives, use far before the comparative adjective, far better, far more interesting. Use by far after the adjective phrase, better by far, more interesting by far. With superlatives, use by far before or after the superlative adjective. He is by far the best. He is the best by far. These small words help you express large differences clearly in English. Now watch and complete the sentences with far or by far. One. The coffee from this cafe is far stronger than the coffee I make at home. 2. She is by far the fastest runner on the track team. 3. For a quick energy boost, a banana is far better than a candy bar. 4. Her new phone is far lighter than her old one. 5. This is by far the worst storm we have had all year. 6. He is younger than his cousin by far. 7. Learning a language is far more challenging than learning a song. 8. It was the most interesting documentary I've seen by far. 9. This path to the beach is longer, but it is more scenic by far. Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and ring the bell icon for notifications.